A piece of rock hidden underground. How does it become the most powerful energy source on Earth? Uranium, both a source of electricity and a key ingredient in deadly nuclear weapons. But how do humans mine, process, and ultimately turn this dangerous metal into small pellets? Today we'll take a look at that incredible journey, from mining to nuclear power plants. Uranium is a heavy metal that is silver-gray in color and naturally radioactive. It is usually found in ores such as uraninite, and the world's largest reserves are in Canada, Kazakhstan, and Australia. Naturally occurring uranium occurs mainly in two isotopes, U-238, about 99.3%, and U-235, about 0.7%. Of these, U-235 is the most important because it can undergo nuclear fission. In this process, a heavy atom breaks apart, producing a lot of heat and energy, along with the release of dangerous radioactive particles. To harness this energy, uranium must be enriched. That is, the amount of U-235 must be increased to about 3 to 5%. Surprisingly, just 1 gram of enriched uranium can yield the energy equivalent of about 3 tons of oil. This extraordinary power makes uranium one of the most powerful energy sources in the modern world, one that provides electricity on the one hand and can also change the balance of world powers on the other. Uranium's journey begins about 450 meters deep in the ground. These mines are very complex and risky because they are always filled with water and high pressure. Before digging, scientists use a special method, freezing the soil. Hundreds of holes are drilled with tungsten carbide drills, and pipes are installed there to pump cold calcium chloride liquid, which hardens the entire area like ice. This prevents landslides or water flow. Then large shafts are created with powerful drills through which uranium ore is extracted. The entire process is carried out under remote control so that workers are not directly exposed to radiation. The extracted rocks are brought out in special lead-protected vehicles or sealed conveyor belts. About 500 to 1,000 tons of ore are extracted from the mine every day. This step is not only technological, but also very important from a safety perspective. Uranium from the mine is first crushed into powder using crushers and ball mills, then mixed with water to form a slurry. The uranium is then put into solution by removing unwanted elements through a chemical reaction. This solution is processed to produce yellow cake, about 80% pure uranium, but it is not usable directly, so it is converted into uranium hexafluoride, UF6, gas. This gas is spun in high-speed centrifuges to separate U-235 and U-238. Thousands of centrifuges work together to achieve the right level of enrichment. The enriched uranium is then converted into uranium dioxide, which is made into small pellets. These are filled into zirconium tubes to make fuel rods. These fuel rods are combined to form fuel assemblies, which are used in nuclear reactors and generate huge amounts of electricity. Starting from a simple stone under the ground, a powerful energy source that lights up the world, this entire journey of uranium shows how advanced human technology is and how risky it is. On the one hand, it provides electricity to millions of people. On the other hand, its misuse can be dangerous for the entire world. Now the question is, in your opinion, is nuclear energy a safe solution for the future, or is it still too risky? Tell me in the comments.